Hello and welcome to week 10 of Educational Psychology and Human Development. I hope that all of you are doing well, staying safe, being healthy, and that you're able to make the adjustments needed during this time period. So I once again encourage you to stay on track with this course. We don't have a lot of time left, and I assure you also that the assignments coming up are a lot lighter. I know that there's not quite as many heavy things due in the next couple of weeks, so we have kind of slowed down the pace a little bit, which should help you out some also. So last week, I hope that you had a chance to read chapter 6, which is on development, a very important chapter and one that you'll hear a lot more about if you're an education major or going into becoming a teacher. And also do be sure that you have taken the time to watch the videos from your classmates posted last week on multiple intelligences and moral development. There is some information in the textbook, but these highlight a little bit more of those theories. So also I hope that you completed the substance abuse training and uploaded that certificate to the TK20 link via the D2L. If you are an education major, it's required. If you haven't yet submitted it, it should be an easy 100. You can submit it late and just have late points, but if you are enrolled in the EPSY 3153 section, you have to submit that to me or you receive an incomplete. So I'll be emailing you if you haven't gotten it in, but just be sure that you do that. And we'll have some more trainings coming up as well. And you're always welcome to work ahead on those too. So this week we're moving into chapter 7, which is kind of another aspect of development. It focuses on the social and emotional part of development. So be sure that you read chapter 7 in the textbook. You'll learn about a lot of the theories regarding that. Be sure, I don't know why I'm in week 7, sorry. Be sure that you also take the time to watch the videos that I've posted for chapter 7, and that's all here in this chapter 7 folder. And then I've also included a supplemental reading on personality development. So be sure that you look at that. Our book doesn't touch a lot about it, so be sure to read that and be sure that you watch the video because you'll need that in order to complete the activity this week. So make sure to watch the video and read this so that you can accurately complete the activity. So these are the instructions for the activity. You're going to be completing the Keirsey sorter, which is just a short personality test. It determines personalities like the Myers-Briggs. So here's the instructions on what to do. All you have to do is take the test. And this is the test right here. You'll record your answers on the answer sheet, which is here, and there's instructions in the bottom of the answer sheet about how to add it up. So just be sure that you read through that carefully. And then after you have determined your personality type, you're just going to complete a brief explanation for me. So I want you to submit the answer sheet into the Dropbox in addition to a paragraph. So just a short paragraph, 300 to 400 words, but be sure that you explain how your personality type describes you if you think it's accurate. And how it is positive, how it can help you to positively interact with other people, negatively interact with other people, and then if you are going into education, how it might help you or maybe present some challenges for you as a teacher. If you're not in education and you're taking this class as an elective, then just kind of relate it to your current profession. So upload both the paragraph in addition to the answer sheet. Upload both of those into the Dropbox in D2L. So it should be a pretty easy assignment and easy grade for you to complete. So if you have questions about it or you're having difficulty calculating the responses or anything like that, then please just post in the class discussion board for the week. Hope that you have a great week.